Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is part 2 of Medal of Honor Above and Beyond. Alright, if you didn't watch the last video, basically what we're doing is we rescued Louie and we're gonna go blow up a train.
So how does one become a collaborator? What are the job qualifications? Weakness? Cowardice? Or just plain self-centered opportunism?
All of the above.
Unfortunately for me, we still have a little business to take care of. I cannot go back to the Gestapo looking this good. I need to look like I bravely escaped.
I don't want to hurt my dreams of becoming a concert pianist. Lieutenant,
Gladly.
please do the honor.
You're ready to do
Lieutenant.
train.
Time to catch a train.
Can I punch him in the stomach?
Knock yourself out on me. Oh, sit down.
Everything ready?
Of course, mademoiselle.
Okay, let's fall back.
No, we're safe here. I'm pretty confident in my measurements.
Are you crazy?
Uh-oh.
Oh, too late. God help us.
Boom.
What the? What?
Oh mon Dieu!
What the? Well, damn.
See? I told you.
Defeat the surviving Nazis.
Und das war die
What
letzte.
the? What was my gun moving? There's another one.
Lieutenant, follow the #1 rule I gave Ali. Keep your head down. This situation calls for a Panzerfaust. See if you can find one. Lieutenant, shoot the scout tank with a Panzerfaust. It's the only thing that will get through its armor. Bullets and grenades won't damage the scout tank. You need something that packs a little more punch. Remember to hold the Panzerfaust with both hands. Great shot, Lieutenant. One more hit should do the trick. Excellent
Damn.
job, Lieutenant. Meet
How'd
us
I
at the
just
local
tank
road.
an entire tank shell, bro? Man, I don't even know. I just tanked a tank shell, bro. How is that possible?
Nice work, Marcel.
Merci beaucoup.
This gentleman appears to be the highest-ranking German on the train.
Not good. This is one of Rudolf Mueller's men.
Uh-oh.
You were.
Mueller is the director of special projects for the German High Command. He's involved. It's not good for anyone. He's not very nice man.
What's it say?
Well, lots of words in German.
Operation Annihilation. The troops on this train were being sent to Dubuisson to round up some resistance members all over Normandy. And not just suspected members, every person in their family too.
Dang.
What about the
It's
list?
not good.
Of extreme secrecy, there's only one copy being kept in a safe on the second floor of Gestapo headquarters.
Huh.
It says that the list has over 400 names on it.
That's not good.
Well, shit.
They're just going to keep sending trains. We need to get that list.
But it's impossible to sneak in. The second floor is guarded around the clock.
I have an idea.
I know. A frontal assault on Gestapo headquarters is a much different proposition than ambushing a convoy or blowing up a train. We can't do it alone.
C'est vrai. It's true. We need more resistance members, but that's much easier said than done.
I know who we could get.
No. No.
Oui.
No, no,
Oui,
no,
oui,
no,
oui,
no,
oui,
no,
oui,
no, no.
oui.
They're crazy.
Oh, Marcel.
I'm afraid I agree with your sister. They're idiots.
Who are we talking about?
The Vino brothers.
The Vino brothers.
With the Vino brothers.
What the hell is a Vino brother?
Seems like we're headed to the Vino brothers.
We have to be very careful. Since they keep the cells separate, no one knows for sure who is really in the Resistance. Everyone is suspicious of each other. I know what you're thinking. How can we trust this group is truly Resistance? Well, some cells are not as discreet as others.
Nice
They're not
house.
that bad. I wonder if they're home.
Yeah. Whoa.
Cuckoo! Drop your weapons. Put your hands up. Make any move and we shoot. Hello, Juliette.
Hello, Vincent.
You have a lot of nerve trespassing on someone else's property. I recognize you and your sister, but who is that with you?
I'm the lieutenant.
Our friend is with the OSS. They've come to help the Resistance.
Hey, oh, we are just simple winemakers. We know nothing of this, resistance.
Drop the act.
How do we know you're not all just Gestapo spies, coming here to arrest us on false charges?
We don't have time for games. We need your help. The real Gestapo is about to round up every Resistance cell in Normandy.
Hey, there's something coming.
It looks like they're going to start with you. Please, we are on the same side.
Move it.
Let's fight. Lieutenant, we need to stay out of sight. Find a good place to hide.
Alright.
Excellent, Lieutenant. You're out of sight. Try not to make a sound.
Shotgun.
Don't shoot until the Germans stop their truck.
Ooh, hat. Fancy hat. Oh. More Gestapo members. Ooh, axe, I wonder.
Okay, we believe you.
We need to join forces and raid Gestapo headquarters.
Gestapo headquarters? We'll do it.
But we need more than just people. We need weapons and supplies.
The Germans are fortifying Point du Hoc. Maybe we could steal what we need from there.
How do you suggest we do that?
Maybe you could use some of the uniforms and take that truck.
You could just drive right in.
This is the best plan ever.
I'm with him. Alright. Looks like we're headed to a Nazi base. This isn't Gestapo headquarters, but
Drive more like a German. What does that mean? You're all over the road. Be more precise. For the love of God, will you stop waving at them? I'm just being friendly. Oh, hello, Fritz. Oh, hello, Hans. Oh, Dieter, you're looking quite Aryan today. When we get caught, my only request is that they shoot you first.
it's a nice base. Looks like this is our stop. I guess, what is it? Oh, this is our stop. really bad at driving. I actually know where to back up. What do I do? These? Alright. Last one. Alright, that's everything. Alright.
Time to go.
Panzer foul. Will do. Panzer fouls to be useful. We made it. Oh. Hands with us.
See? Are you lost? No, I'm just making sure the Germans can find us. You are lost. I'm turning around. Voilà. See?
Bonjour, Vincent.
Bonjour, Juliette.
Fantastic. This is exactly what we needed. Great work.
Nah, it was nothing. We almost died.
Next stop is Marcel's bookshop. He's putting together a very special bond for Gestapo headquarters.
Oula, look at that. It's a German bomber. A Heinkel 111.
Looks like the RAF got a piece of it in the incident. But it's headed towards town.
Let's hope it doesn't hit the bookshop. What is wrong with you?
We'd better get over there. Just in case.
Town is infested with Nazis. Oh. Looks like the bomb did hit the bookstore.
What are the odds?
We have even bigger problems than that. They're rounding up all the civilians. That's Amy. She's a sweet girl, but in over her head. Let me handle this.
Headquarters is short-staffed, so they sent me down here. They're supposed to secure the area. They just took away the old man who owns the bookshop.
Was he injured?
No, but he sure did use a lot of interesting curse words when they put him on the truck.
Juliette, I'm scared. I don't know what to do. No one is listening to me. Listen up! You all know who I am. I am the girl who knows all the locals. So, I am the girl who knows the black market. I am the girl who gets the commanders, their chocolates, their wine, even their fancy perfumes for their wives, and sometimes their maîtresses. So, I am their favorite. And Amy here is my favorite. I would recommend that you listen to her.
Dankeschön.
Time to improvise. Keep everyone out of the shop while you find Marcel's bomb. It should be upstairs in his secret workshop.
Aye.
Hurry, Lieutenant. Time is of the essence.
Oh. Better hurry then. Why'd you hold that face for a good 4 seconds? Can I open this? Wait, what? Oh. Kitchen cupboard. Ooh. Secret code in the piano. Don't worry, guys. I play the piano. Alright. What the? How does that work? Album. Pawpaw's Henry action rifle. What am I saying, bro? It's my favorite. Where's the fancy hat? Shotgun ammo. Doc, where's the dynamite? Add a fuse. What's the fuse? Pick up a bomb. Give the bomb to Juliet. I'm gonna have fun with this one. I wonder. Bet. The bomb. Bomb.
Merci. This
Welcome.
will do the job nicely. Here, I pulled this from behind the shelf. Play it over the shortwave radio. It's a message, signaling to the resistance that the attack is about to start. Once the music plays, the Nazis will know that you're helping the resistance, so make sure you're ready. Good luck, Lieutenant. I'll see you at Gestapo headquarters.
Yep. this seems to be the stopping point. Guess not. This seems to be the stopping point. See you guys next video.